What's going on, everyone? It's Josh Elbow. In the video today in the mentorship group, I was asked a question about eBay dropshipping, and the question was, it was more of a statement, but kind of a question. I created my eBay and PayPal account like 2-3 weeks ago, and I haven't posted an item yet in it, but I was wondering, will I get the payment instantly when somebody buys the item? So the answer to this is yes and no. Usually, whether it's eBay, whatever you're selling on, you don't get paid, even like with Shopify, you don't get paid, let's say, that doesn't deposit into your account, maybe like once they confirm the that they received the order, they get paid from, you get paid, like let's say it's eBay, you get paid to PayPal. However, I sold a PS4 one time and I got paid before I even shipped the item and received it. However, you don't, like, if you don't ship it in time, they take the money back. So you have to actually like ship the item out, but you don't get paid until they receive it and then they confirm they receive it. Same thing with Mercari. Mercari, once they receive the item, based on the shipping number getting there, they have 3 days to confirm that they got it. If they don't confirm that they got it, then you get paid with no reward, and then maybe it takes like 5 to 7 days to deposit it from there to your account. It should only take like 3 days, 3 business days, not including weekends, I want to say. Same thing with PayPal. It takes maybe 3 days to get into your account. But to completely answer the question, once they receive the item and confirm it, then they get paid. But the point more so of this video that I want to get into is like, why did it take this person 2 to 3 weeks and they still haven't posted anything yet? That's the real problem. The question is a good question, but he's focusing on the wrong thing and it's causing him to not have sales yet. When you have an idea, everything comes down to execution. I got a buddy that's doing 25 grand a month selling online, who's been doing it for 3 months. He's about to break his first 100K, and I'm coaching him now because I want to scale him from 25 to 40K. It purely comes down to the execution. Like, it goes back to these people that ask the same questions about, oh, do I need an LLC or an S Corp when you have no sales? You need to be like just posting and learning. He could have answered that question for himself 3 fucking weeks ago if he had posted it and he was learning how to do it. But instead, he decided he's not going to do anything. The problem is inaction and not executing. You'll learn along the way as you go, but you need to be posting every single day so you can get the items on there. If you're out of room on your account, then like buy a new account. Let's say you're on Mercari, you can only post 100 items on Mercari for sale. Buy an iPhone 4 or buy an iPhone 5 for $50, or buy an iPhone 6 for 70, 80, 100. That's 100 items, new items per thing. If everyone's got a $20 profit, let's say, that's $2 grand per phone. Is it 2,000? And that's just if they sell one time, because once it sells, you can list more items. Is that $2 grand potential worth a $50 investment? If you don't have the money, put it on a credit card that's 0% interest for 18 months. There's too many excuses from what I'm seeing, and all these excuses can be completely blown out of the water by just executing. So go and execute. Write your goals down. Post every single day. Write your goals every single day. Set your schedule the night before every single day. These things are super easy to do, and if you're doing them, then you're going to see success in the very near future. Next 30 to 90 days, you'll see the dollars coming in, but you have to become who you want to be before you're actually there. You have to act like a successful person. Successful people wake up generally. If you look at the aggregate of successful people, they wake up at the same time every single day. It's usually early in the morning. They usually get a workout into their routine. The consistency is what matters here. Hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Be consistent.